Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 8 Rachna Sagar book English Literature Reader Chapter 2 The Children's Hour. A part, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. The Children's Hour is a program over TV in the evening. False. Second point, above the poet's study was the bedchamber of the three girls. True. Of the three girls, the one with golden hair was Edith. True. The poet was locked in the mouse tower on the Rhine. False. The old moustache in the poem refers to the poet. True. Now let's move to the section B. Answer the following with reference to the context. Number 1. They are plotting and planning together to take me by surprise. A part. Who are plotting and planning together? Answer. The three daughters. B part. How will they surprise the writer? Answer. They will surprise the writer by climbing up to him over his arms and back of their father's chair and smother him with kisses. C part. What lesson in virtue does it indicate? Answer. These lines speak of the virtue of family life and bonding and love between the father and his daughters. Now second question. Till I think of the Bishop of Bingen in his mouse tower on the Rhine. A part. Who is I in the poem? Answer. The poet. B part. Why is he thinking of the Bishop of Bingen? Answer. He is thinking of the Bishop of Bingen because, like the bishop, he too is surrounded and locked by his three daughters who have climbed over his arms, chairs, and are unwilling to let him go. But the poet here compares his daughters with that of bishop surrounded by mice. C part. What feeling do the lines convey? Answer. The lines convey the father's love towards his daughters. Now question number 3. What put you down into the dungeon in the round tower of my heart? A part. Who will the poet put down in the dungeon? Answer. His daughters. B part. What does the word dungeon signify? Answer. The word signifies the all-pervading affection that the poet has for his daughters at the bottom of his heart. Its prison of his heart. C part. What tower is the poet referring to? Why is it round? Answer. The poet is referring to his heart or his feelings for his children. The round refers to the incident where the poet speaks about the tower in which the Bishop of Bingen was entrapped. Now question number 4. And there will I keep you forever. Yes, forever and a day. A part. Who will be kept forever? Answer. The daughters. B part. Who will keep them forever? Answer. The poet. C part. Do you see any humor in the phrase forever and a day? Answer. Yes, the humor implied in the line is that when one says forever, there is no space to add anything more. To emphasize the extent of his affection towards his children, the poet adds one more day to the term forever, making it humorous. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.